Unlock the secrets of cooking terms. Stovetop, Unveiled. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we have a cooking-themed episode for you. We're going to explore a very common term in the kitchen, stovetop. Whether you're a budding chef or just someone who loves to understand every bit of English, this video is for you. So, let's turn up the heat and get started. The stovetop is essentially the upper surface of a stove where the burners are located. This is the part where pots and pans are placed to cook food. Unlike an oven, which is enclosed and used for baking or roasting, the stovetop is open and used for frying, boiling, or simmering. It's the action station where most of the sautéing and sauce making happens in the culinary world. While stovetop primarily refers to the physical part of the stove, it's also used to describe anything related to that area of cooking. For instance, when a recipe mentions that something should be done on the stovetop, it means that the cooking process should be done over the burners, not in the oven. Additionally, stovetop can be used adjectively. If you hear about a stovetop recipe or stovetop cooking, it's emphasizing that the entire cooking process is done on the stove's surface. In some cultures, the stovetop holds significant importance. It's not just a part of the stove. It's where families gather around for warmth, sharing stories while cooking meals together. In many English-speaking countries, phrases like stovetop cooking evoke a sense of home and comfort, suggesting meals that are hearty and made with care. Context is key. Remember, when you use stovetop, you're referring to the upper part of the stove or the cooking done on it. Adjectival use. You can describe recipes or methods as stovetop to emphasize that they don't require an oven. Pronunciation. Make sure you pronounce it as two separate words. Stove, top. Don't confuse with oven. Remember, the oven is the enclosed space below where baking happens. The stovetop is the open space above. It's not always about heat. While stovetop implies heat, some recipes might call for using the stovetop even for low heat or simmering processes. There you have it. You're now more familiar with the term stovetop and how it's used both in the kitchen and in English conversation. Next time you come across this phrase, whether in a recipe book or a cooking show, you'll know exactly what it's all about. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has added a little flavor to your English learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious English content. Happy cooking and happy learning!